Juggling multiple Telegram accounts on one phone is easier than you think. First, ensure you have the Telegram app installed and at least one account already logged in. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. At the top of this menu, you'll see your current account's phone number or username. Tap on it. You'll now see an option to add account. Tap this to proceed. This will take you to the familiar login screen. Enter the phone number for your second Telegram account and tap the arrow. Telegram will send a verification code to that phone number. Enter the code you receive here. Once verified, your second account will load. You can now see its chats and contacts. To switch between your accounts, simply return to the main menu by tapping the three lines, and then tap the phone number of the account you wish to use. It's a seamless process that allows you to keep your personal and professional communications perfectly separated on a single device. And that's how you efficiently manage multiple Telegram accounts on your smartphone, organize your life, boost your productivity,